Good afternoon. Here we are going to see how to apply the values on the Smart portal. So first I first open the Smart portal of one another national university. The link is manu.smart.ac.in. So then after entering your username and password and the captcha 467446, incorrect password. Then this dashboard will come. Then go to the left side corner. On top the employee service, you will get the employee dashboard. Here you can see the leave application, station leave, apply leave. Click on apply leave. Then apply leave form will open. Select the leave type casual. Then from date 13, time to date 13, 1 day leave casual. Prefix is optional. You can fill purpose personal. You can also add a description personal leave. Then all these are optional field. You can upload the supporting document. Is destination leave? No. And save and submit it. This is the form. You can take a print. You can edit and you can submit it. Once it is submitted, it will submit to your the sanction authority. Here in my case the sanction authority is the director CIT. So I have submitted. Then that request will go to the director CIT account. Then director CIT need to log in. And here is the director CIT login. So in dashboard employee portal, employee service portal, uh, request for sanctions. And when click, then there are all the requests for the concerned employee will come here. And the director CIT need to take the action, uh, take action. Then we can take action as a sanction or reject it. That's it.